Hey guys, welcome back to my show. Today I will share with you my first experience of making Patishapta. Actually, every time my mom used to make this for me, but this time I'm far away from my home, so she is not here to make it for me. So I thought I should make it for myself. So I will show you my first experience of making Patishapta. So if you like the video, then give the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I will upload a video, you guys will get a notification. So let's start cooking today. So I am starting making the batter first. For batter, I have taken half liter of milk. In this milk, I am adding half cup of rice flour and half cup of sooji, semolina. I am using it slowly. Okay. Now mix it together. Okay. Yes, I am using some more semolina. Mixing it. Now I am using Maida. I have taken 1 cup of Maida. We'll use it little at a time. Then I am mixing this one also with the milk. Everything should be mixed properly with the milk. So I think I need more maida at this time because I need the proper thickness of the batter. So I am taking sooji. All half cup of sooji I am using here. Okay. So here I am using a pinch of salt and jaggery. I have used patali, which is very authentic for Bengali people. You can use the normal jaggery also. So I have mixed everything together nicely, and the thickness should be like this. Okay. So now keep it aside for 10 to 15 minutes to set. After 15 minutes, my batter is totally ready. So here I am using Sondesh for the filling. You can use the coconut mixture also. So let's start making Patishapta now. So I am using tawa here, and when my tawa is semi-hot, brush little oil on the tawa. Now pour some batter into it. This much is enough. When it is fried from the lower side, I will place the filling over here. Now let's roll it. So this is my favorite part of rolling this. Okay, it's done and it's like proper in shape. Flip other side and fry properly from both the sides. Like this. Yes. So my first Patishapta is ready. So let's remove it to a plate. So let me show you one more. The same way I'm doing this one also. Let's roll it. Okay. So it's done also. My first experience of making Patishapta is awesome. It came out just so good and perfect. So let's garnish it with some Kesar. and it's ready to serve. So if you like the video, then hit on the like button, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Bye bye.